I'm going to show you the easiest way and best way that I have found to remove rust from just about anything. As you can see, this is what I started with. These are rusty pegs off a BMX bike. It's pretty bad, but no pitting. This won't get rid of pitting, but it will get rid of surface rust. What you need is this is white vinegar, distilled vinegar. And what you're going to do is you're going to soak your part with distilled vinegar, and you're going to wrap it with paper towels and keep the paper towels wet with the vinegar for a couple hours. Longer for heavy rust. For just a little bit of rust, you only got to do it for about an hour or two. But I've had this soaking for a good 6-8 hours, and as you can see, it's already pulling the rust off. You can see it on the paper towel. And what you do, you've had it on there a few hours, take your paper towel off, and if it's worked correctly, the rust will just pretty much wipe right off. Look at there. I do this on a lot of BMX frames, lots of BMX parts. White distilled vinegar and paper towels. I have noticed paper towels leaving a pattern on it lately, so I've been trying to use maybe toilet paper or napkins or something other than a paper towel with patterns. And you hit it with some polish afterwards, or you can do it again and it'll get all the rust off. Or the stubborn rust you can hit with foil, and the foil will not scratch the chrome. But that to that with white distilled vinegar. Leave some comments, tell me what you think about that.